Okay, thank you for coming today for the StaffTRAK ATS demo. I'm going to quickly run through how to use this. So it's very simple. This is the codes section which sort of sets out all of the main sort of parameters for all the information that you're tracking. So you're tracking year, the reasons for rejection, application source, job stage, job status, recruitment status, and time period of interviews. So what you want to do is you can update these things if you need them. I put a core set of information in, so this should serve your purposes to begin with, but if you need to change it in 2022 you might need to add an extra year, but you're fine for a few years. Rejection reasons, I put the standard rejection reasons in here: salary, qualification, experience, skills, personality, fit, availability. Application source, you can just modify these or add your additional ones at the end, simply just by putting in it here. Done, you've added an extra application source. Really it's not worth really modifying these ones. It's pretty much, as I say, it's pretty much set. This should work pretty much from day one for you, for your purposes. So now you want to add a job. You can see I've added some dummy data in here, and these jobs are added. But let's quickly add a job for you. Job ID 7, let's put in Cook, Stroud. I'm just going to scroll down for now. Fill down, that's fine. Hiring manager, different hiring manager, 7, space, same place, why not? Full time, yes. Entry level, I'm not spelled that correctly, but let's recruiter 7. 7th for the 11th is the job posting date. Number of positions, that is, you can widen that actually, so that will show you what that one actually means. Is 2, and the job is open, and the cost is £500. Great, we've added the job. Next thing to do is add some recruit. There's already some in here, that's sort of dummy data, but I'll quickly show you how to recruit. At the moment, so you put it in for job ID 7, which we've just added, and then the Cook automatically comes up. Add in the applicant's name, applicant 51. Where do you find them? Job board. Application date, 16th and 11th, 2018. 2018. That's probably all you'd probably put there for now, because you've just obviously just applied for the put the job ad out. Gradually over time, as people you start booking people for phone interviews, first interviews, second interviews, under offer, hired. You'll begin to fill these things in, rejecting them, all that kind of stuff. So you just keep coming back and forth to this. The tracker, this is one you do not need to edit. If the data looks out of date, just click the refresh data button here. Every time you make changes here, you need to refresh data here so it updates. That's the same for the other two. And this is literally for just tracking the progress of your job positions. So number 7, where you've just put in one applicant, not much information about it at the moment because you've not put them in for an interview or anything. But you can track all your job IDs really efficient and easily through here. That's what this stage is for. And you know, you can make really good decisions about this. You can sort of see, if we look at something like this, number 2, quite a few. Right, you've got 2 at phone screening stage, 3 at first interview stage, 2 at second interview stage. So if you're being pressurized by your sort of boss as to how things are going, you've got an instant snapshot answer. You know, I'm in control of this position, sort of thing. Interview, this is the interview report. Once again, refresh data if you need to. Very simple to use. Bang, just go through the thing. There's your one you just added, but obviously there's no interview set yet, so there's no data, but plenty of interviews for other candidates. Well, the ones I added, I think 2's got interviews, yes. So there we are, there's a few interviews there. You can print this, send this off to your manager, hiring manager. Recruiter dashboard. This basically just gives us an up-to-date status of where we are. Currently it's not up to date. I think we need to refresh data there. Now let's bring it all up to date for the year, how much we've chucked, you know, average cost per hire, applicants per hire, you know, exactly, lots of really good data there. And then finally the README, just please follow those instructions. Just as a final note, if you want to, I've obviously put all this dummy data in. When you come, you can just delete it by just doing that. Delete. That's getting rid of all the jobs. Doing this. The reason that's all gone like that is because we've deleted all of the jobs. So we deleted that, particularly go to the dashboard, refresh data, and there's no data in there now. So that's how you delete it all. I'm just going to put it all back now because it looks a bit neater. Just leave it like that, and that's all back to normal. But yes, it's very quick and easy to delete everything you need in there. I think that's pretty much everything. And obviously we put the data back in, so I'd refresh data again just to show you it's all back. Thank you very much, and I hope you find using this system useful. Thank you. Bye.